Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to instantly transfer money from your PayPal to your bank account. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, log into your PayPal account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to your home page, and then right in center you have an option as PayPal balance. So then you'll have to tap on it. So after you tap on it, on the other interface you need to tap on transfer, which is right at the bottom. Next page, select the bank account that you want to transfer the money to, and once you're done selecting it, tap on next, which is right at the bottom. So after you're done selecting your bank account, next you have to enter the amount that you want to transfer, and after that tap on confirm. Once you're done confirming it, on the other interface once again make sure to review all of your information and then tap on confirm. And once you're done confirming it, you'll be notified that you've successfully transferred your money from your PayPal to your bank account. So that is how you can instantly transfer money from your PayPal to your bank account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.